Here I have Samsung Galaxy S4, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So firstly you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys: home key, power key and volume up at the same time, just like this. Home key, volume up and power key. And after screen turns on and Samsung logo appears, you can release all keys. Here you can see a small letter saying recovery booting. So in the appeared menu, here you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select option wipe cache partition. After a few seconds, cache wipe completes, and you have to select the first option, reboot system now, to restart your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.